What up? It's Will Vitello, home tech expert, back in Fullerton, California, here to help a wonderful family feel a bit more secure. Now, a couple months ago, they had one of the neighbors got broken into their house. And so it sent everybody in the community a little bit on edge. And they said, you know what, Will, can you come over and install some additional Ring Pro camera floodlights around the house? And I said, absolutely. They loved the work that we did installing the Ring video doorbell by the front door. And also, I had already previously installed a Ring Pro camera floodlight looking over the driveway at the front of the house. But here today, we're installing 2 additional Ring Pro camera floodlights in the backyard, and also another one looking at the side of the yard, and another one on the other side of the house looking over at the side gate. With these Ring floodlight cameras, you know, they're awesome because they have LED floodlights that give you 2,000 lumens of light. And what's really great is that they're motion activated. So during the nighttime, if it gets dark around the house, well, it's nice to have the additional light. But also, with having the floodlights, it also helps out the camera video recording during the nighttime. The Ring cameras have color night vision on them, and they also record audio and video, as well as they have a built-in siren that can be activated using the Ring app manually, whether you're home or whether you're away. And with these Ring cameras, if you have a Ring Cloud monthly subscription, you have the ability to be able to record it to 2 months, not only on one camera, but on unlimited cameras having 60-day DVR recording. And so if you want to get something done like this, buy the Ring Installer of the Year for 2023. Go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.